would you do this deal? Kershaw, South Carolina, 3.31 acres, access, yes, paved county road. So the owner wants $6,600. Thinks could sell it for 13 and some change. No flood zone, it's flat. He claims there's water access on the property and an electrical box.
I mean, my first thought's like for $6,000, like, I don't know how you could go wrong, but I guess better check the area.
Yeah.
That's my first thought too, especially with the signage.
There's going to be a little bit of something to get,
it's
but not much to build that.
That's regular grading, I think.
Mm-hmm. Okay. There's a little bit of a
better up and down like that, I think.
Yeah.
And then let's pull a Joe here.
Okay.
This will tell us 81 old.
Mm-hmm.
The transaction is old. So interesting.
Mm-hmm. Okay. So the house built in 81, they estimate around there is worth 90,000.
It's just the right property because it's got fences and stuff all over it.
Yeah. Maybe that picture could be really old. Oh no, there's the fence.
There's fences.
Yeah. Huh.
Let's try this one.
Jeez.
87.
Neighbor's a little paranoid.
$87,000 scares me. $45,000 in 1988.
What's the house built? That's the question.
117 right now.
You can probably find it there too.
No data.
Built in 78.
Taxes. 87, 129. You're paying 13. 6 is great.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, 6. I would buy this.
Thanks again.
I would totally buy this.
I would buy this and put a sign on it for 15 and somebody will buy it.
Okay.
Yeah. My only concern is some of the days on market look kind of long. So it might be a little slow, but for $6,000, I would totally buy it.
Okay.
Get a sign out there as soon as you can.
Buy your photographer. They will do that. Good job.
I mean, I'm seeing some in the area that are $150,000, $130,000 for almost the same size. Now, here's a 2-acre parcel for $130,000.
Wow.
Yeah, I would definitely buy it for $6,000.
We hope you found our content valuable and we appreciate your support. If you have not already, please check out our channel and hit the subscribe button.
And your comments and suggestions help us to create the content you're here for. Hitting the like button helps to support our channel's algorithm and gauge your interest for future shows.